Hi, this is a quick video to show the electronics for my Rick and Morty portal gun. The electronics are pretty straightforward. It's the first time I've done anything with Arduinos, and I thought I'd do a quick video just to go through my experience with this. So what we have essentially is an Arduino Pro Mini. We have a JQ6500. 16p 32-bit, which essentially is I think 4 meg onboard flash, which is pretty good. We've got some NeoPixels over here for the front of the portal, and these ones are going to be used for the flux capacitor type thing that's on top. We've also got the display for being able to choose the multiverse. So it's a small speaker from an audio perspective, and a rotary encoder to actually change this. So pretty straightforward. I'll just do a quick demo of this. So the idea being, if I move this over here, the idea being I can turn this dial to the various multiverse locations. So what will happen in unison is we'll have two audio files essentially that I use. One is just a sound bite, and you can notice that on the actual JQ6500. So if we press this again, yep, so you can see it fires two separate MP3 files, and at the same time you've got the NeoPixels for the front, and we've also got these over here. So it's pretty straightforward stuff. But if you've never done this kind of stuff before, like I hadn't, it was a little bit challenging to try and get the code to work the way I wanted to, and also keep it as simple as possible. So I don't give a fuck. Yeah, pretty much. Lick my balls. Yeah. From a power perspective, what I have here is a cheap Poundland power bank, and I've hooked that up to this over here. So it gives that 5 volts. It then means I don't have to worry about how I charge the battery, overcharging, discharging, etc. The actual board itself manages that for me. Now I obviously didn't put too much thought into this, so it is a bit of a wiry mess. The reason I've got this flat is if you have them going upwards, then you don't have much surface clearance within the actual portal gun itself. So I've had to lay these out this way, which takes up a little more space, but to be honest, space is more of a premium from a height perspective than from a length perspective. If we look underneath, it's a wiry mess, and again, some of that has to do with the fact that you've got so many connections to the Arduino, and some of that, or a lot of it, has to do with just very poor planning on my side. So what I did was I created a small little bracket like this. I haven't really cleaned it up or polished it up or anything. I've left it pretty much as is, and the idea being is that I can then place this on here like this, and hopefully any kind of movement within the portal itself will not result in any of the cables being pulled out. So that's pretty much it. Hopefully I'll do another video which shows everything assembled. So yeah. Let's see if there's. Yeah, great. Thank you.